Hi there and welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about delete keyword in Python. How we can use delete keyword in Python. So I am going to make one object employee, and this is going to be an object which means dictionary in Python. I'm going to write the name, Tom, and salary. Let's say 10,000. 1, 2, 3. And status of this employee is currently active. Okay. Now if I try to, and in order to print this object correctly, I will import from ppprint, import ppprint, and now I will try to print this employee. Hit save, press the play button, and you see we have name, salary, and status. Now you can change the status. You can change the status like this. Let's say if your employee has left the office permanently, then you can change the status is equal to deactivate. Okay, if you hit the play button, you can see deactivate. But later you decide you don't want to keep salary details in this object. Then how you can delete? One method is you can use it like this. You can keep null in this, and if you hit reload, you get null. But you don't want to add this key. So in that case, what you can do, you can use the word delete for delete, which stands for del in Python, and then your object, and then you need to pass the key, which the key you don't want. If you press play button, you see that object, that key is gone. So like this, you can use delete keyword in Python. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and show us some support. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, and if you are having any doubts, do mention me in the comment section below.